Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are back again with the drawing series. So what are we making here is, I think it's a duck and yeah, that is what we are making here. So our duck is ready. Now we are making another duck by the steps as we are doing it here. I think they are having some pleasant conversation. Okay, they are going somewhere. So that's a couple duck. Yeah, that's a duck couple or couple duck or whatever you call them. And it's almost ready. Just give the clothes some colors and that's it. The next is, I think we are making a wolf. Yeah, that's what we are making here, and I think these are very famous among people, and this is looking quite a friendly wolf, but trust me, don't trust them. Okay, that's what we have learned in the... Oh, that's not a wolf, that's a tiger. We'll differentiate it once we'll start coloring it. I think we are not coloring it. Okay, so you can color them whatever you want, but that was a tiger. The next is we are drawing a bell here. No, that's a frog. Yeah, that's the favorite part, I think. So, no, I'm sorry, that's not a frog, that's a crab. And I am sorry. Okay, so your crab is done with his claws. The next what we are going to draw here is your, I don't know what exactly this thing is. It's a salmon, it's a lizard, it's a gizzard. I don't know what exactly this thing is. But we already drew it. Now your wolf is actually here, so you can have a good conversation with him. So for that, we are just simply drawing it. Actually, I just can't give you any voiceover for your articles, yeah. I mean art ones. Okay, so this is a very typical cake we all used to draw, and now for the... You can just give any design to your cake. And as my birthday is coming, I just feel so good. Okay, so yeah. So your cake is done. You can give whatever design you want to your cake. The next is, I think we are making a hatching egg and there is a cute bird coming out of it. Yep, that's what we are making here. So your birdie is coming out. The next thing we are going to make here is, what are we going to make here? Well, I'm not exactly... Okay, whatever this thing is, it looks not quite good. Okay. The next what we are going to draw here is, oh, that's my favorite. I think we are making a sakura tree. I feel like that, but once we'll color it, that's a very pinkish color of a flower, and that's not it. That was a peanut tree. Oh god. Okay, the next thing is, it looks like a 3D drawing. So if you want, you can make this cool back drawing, and yeah, it looks nice. You can color them whatever color you want. For making this butterfly, it looks quite easy, but it's like an abstract art, so you all can make them if you want, like this. It's quite easy. The next thing what we going to get here is your computer. Yeah, that's what we are making here. Oh, that's a TV, antique TV with an antenna. The next is, I think this is a popcorn case. Not a case actually. Okay, so that's not even popcorn, yeah. That's your ice cream or something, no? That's an ice cream, whatever you call it, container. The next we are going to draw is a broccoli, and I don't know how many of you like it. I just don't, because I've never had it. That was a fact. Okay. The next is alarm clock, and who doesn't know alarm clocks? I mean, these are so irritating, but these are for us only. So yeah, thank you for watching the video.